Verifying your bank account on Sticky Password is an important step to ensure the security of your financial information. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open Sticky Password. Launch the Sticky Password application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate your account settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile options. Step 3. Select Bank Account Verification. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank account details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. Fill in the required fields accurately, including your account number and bank name. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the verification request. You may receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on Sticky Password. This will help enhance the security of your sensitive information.